from across the room, and your friend's bad, but you the baddest. Might as well be an actress. We can head back to my place, make a flick on that mattress. You got tree, I'll match it. You picture perfect, no cameras. It's true, I've been trying to settle down, but baby, I don't settle for no average. I'm trying to smoke a fuck, it's a habit. Excuse me, pardon my manners, but baby, you remind me of someone I wanna know, and everything I want does happen. It ain't crazy, girl, it ain't magic. In the room dark, we light candles. I'm trying to give you that business, girl, and all my business ventures get handled. I'm like living on a motherfucking high right now, and I swear I'm trying to calm down. Living on a motherfucking high right now, and I swear I'm trying to calm down. This is how I feel right now. I just need you here right now, here right now. This is how I feel right now. We go fucking till the lights go out, 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 till the lights, till the lights, till the lights go out, till the lights go out. And I don't know what this drink got, but it got me feeling like I'm needing you. And we can head back to my spot. There's a million things I'm trying to do. I'm trying to fuck with you, it's so true. Your love is so new. There's a million things I don't know. One thing I do, I don't lose. Baddest woman get chose. Bank feeling with O's. Met this girl from uptown, said keep the shit on the low. You know she do. If you want it, you can get it back. If you want it, you can get it back. I'm just tryna get paid, you just tryna get laid. I could feel your body language, baby, all I'm tryna say. Living on a motherfucking high right now, and I swear I'm tryna calm down. Living on a motherfucking high right now, and I swear I'm tryna.
Champagne in this fading light. We are sitting on the balcony and dancing in the pouring rain. I wanna know your shade of gray. Hollywood, the land of stars. Shattered dreams will break your heart. Draped in jewels to look the part. It's my anthem, it's my anthem. Crystal glasses, chandeliers. Cameras flash at big premieres. Welcome to the new frontier. Can we get some? Can we get some? Maybe someday we'll look back on this ride. Top of the world, we're finally living the life. Taking it in, 'cause lightning never strikes twice. Pour me a drink, looks like we finally arrived. Spotlight coming down like a hammer. Hot sweat getting hot off the danger. Chill quick, 'cause there's not in the nature. People never touch the ground, pretty little gangster now. The good life will always remind me. The real world can be so confining, but power can also be blinding. People never touch the ground, pretty little gangster now. Silver song, don't fail me now. Used to looking over windows just to find a way to steal the crowd. Pretty gangsters climbing out. Up the ladder, pitter patter, take a look at all the gold we found. Hollywood, the land of dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Holy water, make me clean. Can we get some? Can we get some? Crystal glasses, chandeliers. Cameras flash at big premieres. Welcome to the new frontier. It's my anthem, it's my anthem. Maybe someday